What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Do you like to follow rules? Well, if you do, Shinola is going to help you because they have ruled journals. Now, this one is the hardcover. You can see here it's got this like linen-like material on it. And this is the large journal. And you can see here it's pretty big. You know, this is going to be nice for taking notes on it. It has an elastic band here for holding it closed when you're in transit. And then it just kind of flips back on the side here. You can see Shinola logo on the back. And then we have this ruled pages band here. So I'm just going to take this off. Kind of reminds me of an old school book. And really nice. I like this blue. Picked this one out myself. And if we take a look here, you can open it up. We have some ivory-like paper, kind of very narrow ruled and light gray lines here. So help keep those notes compressed, concise, all in a nice line. And we have quite a bit of paper in this bad boy too. Just wanted to give you a quick preview of it. Oh, it looks like we have a little accordion style flap on the back. So if you have receipts or other loose notes or post-its or something like that, you can put them right back there. And then also looks like right here, you can see it there. Gotta get to it. We have a bookmark. So you can always quick jump to the last page that you took notes on. Pretty cool. I'm gonna use this for work. I have to sit in a lot of meetings and take notes. So if you wanna pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.